If you notice a problem with your roof, don't worry. Colossal Roofing Limited repair and replace all types of roofs quickly and economically. Whatever the nature of your problem, from a few missing tiles to replacing a roof that has seen better days, we can help. Our family-run team operate throughout Kent and East Sussex and cover all aspects of pitched and flat roofing works, along with the supply and installation of roofline products such as guttering, fascias and soffits. Customer satisfaction is paramount to Colossal Roofing Limited. We only use high-quality products and are happy to provide many superb references. Naturally, we are fully insured and all our work is guaranteed for your complete peace of mind. Our prices are very affordable. If you would like to receive a free, no-obligation quotation with a 14-day cooling-off period, call Colossal Roofing Limited today.